The School of Aging Studies, formerly the Department of Gerontology, was founded in 1967. It's one of the oldest and largest degree awarding programs in the United States.
We have two different master's programs for aging studies. We do have a applied aging studies program as well as a gerontology one. Both of those programs are actually fully online, so students get a lot of flexibility based on which program that they'd like to be in.
The online program was perfect for me because I have a full-time job and 2 children. So it was perfect for me. I was able to go to work all day, come home and do some schoolwork, and also do some work on my lunch break.
There's a lot of flexibility in taking classes online. Most of them are asynchronous. That means that the student can view the lecture anytime it's convenient for them. They usually have a week to complete assignments, again, at their pace and time.
I am fully engaged in my career at this point and very busy in my career, so the ability to complete it on my schedule was tremendously helpful.
Even though our courses are online, we do set them up in ways that students have an opportunity to engage not just with their instructor, but with one another. So a lot of our assignments, even though the classes are online, do require collaboration and group work.
So even though the Aging Studies program is an online program, the classwork was very interactive. You were able to engage with other students. We were able to share our thoughts and ideas on certain topics and assignments.
I actually connected better with the instructors. Felt very much I had a one-on-one relationship with them rather than being sitting in the classroom setting where maybe I would be able to speak with that professor.
One of the main ways that they can take what they're learning online and apply it is to do an internship, to actually get a chance to go into a professional setting, to meet the people who are providing the services, whatever they may be.
Aging studies, aging sciences, gerontology is a very fast-growing field. One of the reasons it is such a fast-growing field is because older adults themselves are one of, if not the fastest-growing segment of the population. So you can look around and you probably notice more older adults today, in the grocery store, in your neighborhood, anywhere you go than people did before.
I absolutely would recommend this program for anybody that's interested. There, with the changing demographics, there's going to be boundless opportunities in various sectors to be able to serve, to be able to find work, and to really benefit our society.